Welcome to the HUAWEI channel. Today I will show you how to set a custom notification sound on the HUAWEI Pura Pro. So first of all, open settings through the shortcut here, or if you don't have it, just scroll down and press this little button. In settings, open the sounds and vibration section through this button here, and here scroll down to notification tone. Now to set a custom notification sound, click on Music on Device to set it to a custom audio file you downloaded before. Select your audio file. It will play to make sure you selected the right file. Go back, and now you set a custom notification sound. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.